Whether you are planning to start a recipe blog, showcase your photography, or sell your pottery online, having a professional website is crucial in today's digital world. You might find coding intimidating, but fear not. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn step by step how to create a beautiful and functional website without requiring any coding skills or technical wizardry. Firstly, what are Google Sites? Google Sites is a user-friendly sites you can easily drag and drop elements like text, images, videos, and more to build a website that suits your needs. How to get started? Before you get started, you'll need a Google account. If you don't have one, you can easily create one by visiting the Google account creation page. The moment you have your Google account, you can access Google Sites by visiting sites.google.com. 1. Once on the home page, click the +blank site button to start a new project. 2. If you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll notice a template gallery. This gallery provides a collection of pre-designed templates created by Google. You can choose from templates suited to your needs, such as personal, business, or education. These templates can help you start your website if you're unsure about the design elements you want to include. However, using a template is optional. You can select the blank template if you prefer to start from scratch. For instance, if you are a freelance photographer, select the Portfolio template to showcase your photographs elegantly. This template comes preloaded with sections for galleries and contact information, saving you time and effort. How to customize your Google site. Now that you've chosen, you can add sections, text, images, videos, and even hyperlinks. 1. Click the Theme button in the top menu to access design elements like fonts, colors, and layouts. Experiment with these options to align them with your brand or personal style. For instance, your photography brand has a distinctive logo and color palette. Click Header to upload your logo to create a cohesive visual identity. Adjust the headers, backgrounds, and text colors to match your brand. 2. To add your custom image, save it on your computer and then navigate to the page where you want to upload it on your Google Sites site. Replace the default image with your custom image by clicking on the image element and selecting the Upload option. Choose your custom image file and click Open. Your new image will replace the default image on your website. What if you want to share your website with others or multiple people? Well, click the Share button in the top right corner to invite people to view or edit your website. You can control their access levels, making collaborating with clients, teammates, or friends easy. If you are a teacher looking to create a website for your students, you can invite them to collaborate on group projects. How to add a button on your Google Sites. 1. To begin, navigate to the Insert menu and select Button. Enter the desired text and corresponding link. To determine the button's destination, specify the link by typing in the name of the selected page. This search function extends to the current site, your other sites, and Google Drive, allowing you to link to site pages or Google Drive items. Alternatively, you can enter the URL of a specific website or web address to which the button should direct users. And voila! Google Sites will generate the button, automatically matching the color to your chosen theme. It's important to note that buttons linking to external sites will open in a new tab. Additionally, you have limited style options such as filled, outline, and text. 2. If you prefer a more customized button, you can create your own using images and Google Drawings. To do this, open Google Drawings and choose the shape for your button. Adjust the background palette to match, making the shape transparent. Add a border and find an image to incorporate into the button, resizing it to fit the shape. After adding text, adjust its opacity for readability. Crop the image to match the button shape and download it as a PNG. 3. To upload the button to your Google site, double-click the desired page and select Upload. Choose the downloaded button image and associate it with the desired link or page. How to add, delete, rearrange a page in your Google. To add a new page to your Google Sites website. 1. Open your site in New Google Sites on your computer. 2. Navigate to the right-hand side and click on Pages. 3. At the bottom right of the screen, hover over Add New Page. 4. Click on New Page Add. 5. Enter a suitable name for the new page. 6. Click Done to save your changes. 7. To make your changes visible to viewers, click Publish at the top right corner. To remove a page from your Google Sites website, how to preview and publish your Google site. 1. On your computer, open the site you are creating in New Google Sites. 2. Navigate to the top of the page and click on the Preview button. 3. At the bottom right corner of the preview screen, you'll be presented with several layout options. Please choose the one that best suits your content and click on it. 4. To exit the preview mode, locate and click on the Exit Preview button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And to finally publish your site, 1. Open your site. Google Sites can be accessed on various devices like computers, phones, or tablets. However, things to consider when modifying your Google site. When editing your site, it is necessary to use a computer, and it is vital to keep a few things in mind. Firstly, ensure you are using Chrome version 24, a newer version, or the latest versions of specific browsers. These browsers include Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and Safari. Keeping your browser up to date is a good practice to avoid any potential compatibility issues that may arise. Additionally, ensure that cookies and JavaScript are enabled in your browser settings. This is because some functionality. By following these steps, you can come up with a stunning website using Google Sites. So, what are you waiting for? Start your website building journey with Google Sites today and leave a lasting impression on your audience. If you encounter any specific issues or have further questions, please provide more details in the comments section. Invite others to the learning dance by sharing this video and stay on the guest list with a subscription. If you're curious to learn more, check out the next video.